quick Family Dollar haul here. I have the Color Your Own stickers. This is the Christmas sets. They have 2 different sets to choose from. I chose this one, $1. Just a Christmas activity for Connor. And the real reason for going to Family Dollar, it was requested to do looks and reviews of the LaColors Eye Vault limited edition 20-piece set. This is the only one that I've seen, so I don't know if this comes in different styles or what, but I know that you also wanted to see the Color Workshop Sunset Hour, but my Family Dollar did not have any Color Workshop. I looked the store over and I didn't see anything. Maybe again I can go back, but for now I did see the Eye Vault limited edition deluxe Eye Vault set. So this is the one I found. I'm not sure if there's any others, but it has a natural side and a smoky side. $5, has 20 pieces. I just can't get over it. So you get 12 eyeshadows. There's a natural, there's a smoky. I'm digging the smoky shades. Look at that green. Pair of Lush lashes, black mascara, a black eyeliner, a brown eyeliner. You get 2 beauty books, and you get 2, just like a light glare, 2 sponge applicators. Also on the back, there is a beauty guide on the back as well. It tells all the ingredients of all the products in there and everything, and I just cannot get over that this was $5. What? $5. So while I was there looking at all the makeup stuff, I found another interesting item that I thought that you guys would probably want to see a review and tutorials on, and it's the LaColors Nude Eyes, $5. It comes in a tin packaging. You get 24 eyeshadows in there. I know the lighting's a bit wonky, but I will insert pictures of this stuff. But there is a mix of matte, shimmery, and metallics in there. And I'm excited to dig into this and do some tutorials. I thought that you guys would be interested in this as well. They had lots of different sets to choose from, but the Eye Vault I definitely went for. Couldn't find the Color Workshop stuff at Family Dollar, at mine anyways. And then this is the only other LaColors item that really caught my eye. And I almost got the Lash Vault, but I decided to, because I have a lot of lashes and I don't wear them very often, so why would I get that? And they had some lip sets and all kinds of stuff, but I just really was pulled in by this Nude Eyes, and there's 24 eyeshadows in there, and I couldn't get over this nice pen as well. So that's pretty neat. I think this personally, or even the Eye Vault set, would make a great gift for anybody who loves makeup, because LaColors has really stepped up their game, and they are not the brand they used to be. Their stuff is way better, way different, reformulated. Love it. Their eyeshadows are actually really good and amazing quality now. So yes, that's the Family Dollar haul. Very short, very sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links. Stay tuned for more videos, and happy holidays. Well, I took this out of the packaging so you guys could see. Here's the tin. I took it completely out of the packaging. It does have another layer of like plastic there. You open it up. This is just an overlay thing. I thought this was like an actual like palette in the tin. And your eyeshadows are actually in this plastic piece. I just want you to know this before you buy it, because I was kind of expecting a little bit something different. But the shades are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Also, the packaging, I just wanted you guys to know the packaging is a bit flimsy because it's these plastic things, like I said. And it's a bit hard to get back into the tin. So maybe if you were going to give this as a gift, I just thought you might want to know that. It's a little bit like cheap. But if you're buying this for yourself, I would suggest just taking this plastic piece off and just having the cover as the tin. I mean, we have lots of eyeshadow palettes that are just covered by a tin lid. So, just a quick look at the Eye Vault.